Okay, well, hello everyone. Thank you for watching. This is the fifth tropical storm of the 2009 Pacific hurricane season. This is Enrique. The wind speed is 40 miles an hour. It's currently a tropical storm. The wind gusts are 50 miles per hour. The latitude is 14.0 north. The longitude is 115.7 west. The pressure is 1,004 millibars. So I do not think this is going to become a hurricane. Looking at the millibars, does not look like it's going to become a hurricane. This was updated 5 a.m. on August 4th, which was 5 hours ago. We do have another tropical cyclone, and we will make another video when that gets into a tropical storm.